Your storage room is a highly desirable location for mice and cockroaches. It's quiet, dark, and it contains food. Keeping food off the ground as well as fixing any structural issues will help to keep these pests out. All food product containers must be sealed and rodent-proof. When open, they must be placed in a new container that will close tightly. The new container should have the product name and date clearly labeled. Containers should be placed on racks which are a minimum of 6 inches off the ground and never on the floor. It's a good idea to have racks on wheels so they're easier to move for cleaning. The racking should not be made of bare wood. Floors should be swept and washed on a daily basis. Check the storage room for cracks once a month and make sure the doors to the storage room shut properly. These could be hiding places for cockroaches.